Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone using for Google My Business. What does it mean that Google My Business? It is for Google Maps. So that is a maps. How you can add in for your websites. So everyone worry about that. So how we can add in for Google Map location my website? What is the correct fundamental to adding the Google My Business in your website option? That is purpose. We have to do the three steps. First of all, you can choose your website. In this website, we can use it for contact us page. So guys, who will be watch this video? We can watch entire video completely. Why? Because I'm taking for live project. I have to do the to showing every option. In this one, the adding mapping will be here. So the mapping will be unwrong. So how we can adding for the particular maps on your particular website? What is the basic options we can use to add in the Google My Business? First of all, we can go to this Google. The map is ready. First option. In this go to, we can go option will be called maps. In this map will be done. They will showing for complete map details. In this map details, you can selecting for share option. In this share, we have selecting for two things. One is copy link. Second will be embed map. So in this embed map, we have to use on the particular website. This code is valid for PHP, HTML, WordPress, any other website. It's the same procedure for any website platforms for the developed by the your website. In this particular code, how we can add in for your website? So, sir, I'm not a developer. I'm the digital marketer. I'm the SEO analyst. So our social media analyst. I don't know how to add the code. That is purpose. If you're not understanding developing method, we can send that this code will be into the particular code will be to the developers. So when you're running for developers time, this code you can paste on the Word document first. The major thing is called they showing for width and height will be they give the particular option. That time we can give width will be 100%. Why it is given by 100%? The major is called the width is 100% nothing but the map visibility by mobile device, tablet or desktop that is given by the width will be 100%. So there is a major important syntax. So when you're adding map, just search on Google, click for share, selecting for embed map, there's an iframe code of HTML, the width will be 100%. Now we can log in the particular website cPanel. Just I'm logging. This completely coding procedure. So now I'm logging for cPanel. When I'm logging cPanel, first of all, the what is our code will be here. So the code is more important. Where our code will be here. So that is a which page. First of all, we can find out. The page will be contact. So we can check find out the page name. Which page will be contact. Right click and edit. So previous we adding for Google Map location using for iframe code. Which one? Iframe code. We can find out here. So where our options are here. Check it out the particular option. So now here the previous. How much width 450? Width will be 100%, height will be 450. So in this previous they're not showing for which one? Count of language will be not showing. So this code I can break here. How to break in this particular arrows and you can use it here. After that, you can add your code will be here. Same, but what we can change? We can change will be width will be 100%. So this width purpose I'm taking for a document. You can understand easily purpose. Now save. Coming back, refresh. Now it is showing for count of languages. The map will be shown to the customers. What is the benefit for adding this map on your particular website? Easily, people find out your location. They reach your location easily for by through your website. That is the purpose. Any of the map we can add your particular website by using embed code. If you won't share anyone, this a link will be shared to the customers. So linking will be different, and we can add in the website will be completely different. If you have add link on your particular website where, so we can adding for this location will be here also. So you can add icon, give to link will be in this short link. So two will be possible. Simple. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm adding for one more option here where it is the icons we have to find out here. So where they're adding icons, we have to find out and do it on the options. So yeah, where you can social media and find out here. Here the social media in this last one, Instagram. Now adding here. Google, copy link. Here my target will be open new tab. Target is equal underscore double quote in this using for blank here. Previous how many icons are there? 5. Now you can come into 6 icon. Google. Now click here. They open for your map. Map adding will be two method we can follow. One will be link, second will be embed code. So this is a procedure. Lot of people worry. So how we can add it? How we can add it? It's a simple step. Any website peoples, if we need this kind of information, you can always comment me in my channel. I'll send your code every year maps. How can I add also? I'll give the complete in detail information. So follow this instruction. Add your map, your particular website. One is embed code, second will be link. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel, ask me any kind of comment. Will be definitely supported for your particular website adding Google My Business.